Hi everyone, I was setting up my Linux machine, so I thought to make a video out of that. So, how I generally set up my data science tools in my Linux machine. So, this is Fedora 36 and it is in virtual machine, not in a physical hard drive. I couldn't able to install in my local machine because of some BIOS reason and don't want to mess my entire data. So I thought why not give a try on the virtual machine, because virtual machine can do anything just like a normal machine. So you can also try and install in virtual machine and see if this suits you or not, and then you can take a decision. The first tool is obviously a spreadsheet, which is required to see the data in a tabular format. So, luckily by default, Fedora has LibreOffice, in which there is a specific tool for spreadsheet called LibreCal. So, I no need to install any additional tool to calculate and to see tabular data. It is just as similar as Excel, but it is an open source tool and works the same way as Excel. Here you can see the view. It is very much similar to Excel, the old Excel, but it does the job. The aggregated aggregation functions and all, and now they have a special view which is they call tab view, so which makes it more similar to Microsoft Excel. So now it will look like an Excel format. So this tool is indeed very helpful. The second tool I want to show here is Anaconda, the de facto tool for all data scientists. So I will go to anaconda.com and try to install Anaconda distribution. So it activates my system as a Linux, and I'm downloading the installer here for the Linux machine. We'll wait for the Anaconda to download, and then after the download completed, we need to open the terminal and paste the command. This command will automatically install using this installer, Anaconda installer. So just copy, or you can type it depending on where you have downloaded it. I have downloaded in the downloads folder, and you press enter, and it will ask license term yes or no. Do yes, and it will install the rest of the launcher. Second tool is done. Now we are moving to a third tool. I will not install SQL RDBMS tool, but you can install PostgreSQL or MySQL. So just download a Red Hat or Rocky or CentOS one from here, and that will allow you to download PostgreSQL, the latest one. If you scroll down and go to the version and the platform, then you will get a script which you can copy and paste in the terminal, and it will do the job for you. So this is how you can install it. I am not installing it because I am doing the most of the work using Excel files and CSV files. So I will use pandas for that. Moving on to the next tool is GitHub. Obviously every data science and I think every developer should have a GitHub profile. It becomes that handy. I don't have anything in my profile, but I have to work on that. More and more videos I think I will plan for GitHub, because this is a very important tool nowadays and backed by Microsoft. So lot going on for this tool. You can also install Teams, which is there in software. It is very easy to install, just one click. So these are the tools which helps you make build your data science journey a bit easier in my opinion. Use other other tools. I think other tools are also supported in Linux, but you can give it a try, explore. I've not done that because these tools are enough for me. If you have a Linux machine, not a Windows, and you're looking for tools which help you to migrate your career to data science, these tools will definitely help you. Comment down if you have any questions. I will see you in the next one.